Saki and Naoki. Say hi. Masa was here too, but he left. We're just chilling here until Mara's party. Mara's leaving for Australia, but apparently she's gonna go clubbing, but we might see it later. Who knows what'll happen. How do you like Toronto, Saki? Good? Do you like Toronto? How do you like Toronto, Naoki? Good! Okay, good. Everyone likes it.
It's not really.
Where are you from?
Japan.
I'm from Korea.
Where are you from?
India.
Hello! Hi!
Nice to meet you.
You gotta do special effects. 1, 2, 3. Much. 6.
Have it up.
We're playing a game.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey! Shoot for the vlog. 1, 2,
Let's go, Yasmin. Go, go.
1, 2, 3, go! Again.
2, 3, 4. How many?
Oh, dance, 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 dance.
2, 3. Taste the music here. Again.
My nigga Blake.
That was 2016.
Oh shit, what up, Alec? Defensive maneuver, man, was good. I'm fucked. Nick is here. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go to the bar.
Listen to the light. Hey, listen to the light. Let's go. We're back at Green Room with my nigga Blake, Palmer, Emmett's here. We're all here.
No, I recently learned that I've been pouring triples for the entirety of university. I just thought that's how much liquor you put in the cup.
That's a fine measurement. You're right. You're fine.
Hey, say what to the vlog.
Oh shit, I missed.
Have a good night. Peace. Brandon's here. What up?
You know, I know it's like
Talking shit about Green Room.
Green Room. You had so much fun here. Let people in underage. I had my first beer here. I probably wasn't even supposed to.
Shout out to Green Room.
Every beer tastes the same. You know, just sort of the cheap ones. You know, I cannot not bump into people that I know here, and it's so true.
We're going to Nick's house.
We had a great conversation.
We did.
That was important.
It was important,
The
and
whole neighborhood heard.
And
Well, they don't know what you look like, so.
we're good. I bought some jerky. Today was fun. I started the vlog very late, so it's just us like partying. Actually,
Well, that's good.
it'll be maybe I'll make it a music vlog like the last one. Who knows?
We do have choices.
Did you catch Palmer with those earrings that
Yeah.
actually weren't earrings and were shower curtains?
They were shower curtains.
They were shower curtains. That was the most. That was a strange combination of goodies that we found on the corner. It was an Adam Sandler CD that was total
I
bullshit.
blew that CD.
Those
Yeah.
weird shower curtain hangers that were totally supposed to be earrings, and like these 4-inch heels that were really grody. That is, oh, like a good friends.
So we're at Nick's.
Oh shit, it's a video.
Making some mushrooms.
Yeah, we're gonna get high on some fucking delicious mushrooms. No, we're not putting cream in that.
Get the cream.
I don't know why. Yeah, you get the cream and you cream it.
You heard it here first from your boy.
From your boy, Wiley Nicholas.
The worst vlog. Fucking the vlog camera. What you get?
That's what you get. I'm here with Grandma Richard. She's a very sweet lady. Takes care of her own.
Chef Nick. Chef Nick on the ones and twos. Got the eggs, got the mushrooms, creme.
One of these. Yeah, just smash that shit up. You know, do the egg thing. Let the eggs be eggs.
Oh, those
Oh,
are
yeah.
good though.
Oh, it's gonna be delicious.
Nice dollop of paprika. And the butter.
It's the best.
Really smells really good.
Cooking eggs at 4 in the morning. It smells really good. Hey.
No, but it does.
I'm with my host here, Richard. He's doing a fine job shooting the video.
You hug them, and then you tap their butt, give them a little kiss, and you tell them everything will be okay. Girls love that.
I feel good.
Yeah, that feels good.
That feels good. That works on me.
오늘은 너와 나의 rendezvous. Girl, just pick the time, I'm down, I always do.